Connect from one train to another with this exciting wooden railway set, full of play from the magnificent world of BRIO. 42 pieces make up this timeless wooden railway system. Crafted from the finest beechwood to the highest quality, BRIO have created a fantastic set that includes plenty of wooden, straight and curved track, enabling a high-level track section with a 2-level station containing a realistic working lift. Just operate the crank to take passengers to their platforms, but which train will they catch? Operate the switches to decide where the red freewheeling train will go, or the blue battery-operated train. Both have opening and closing doors. With 5 BRIO figures plus 1 piece of luggage and plenty of additional features, including a bridge, warning sign, pillar and rock-shaped supports, your child will have endless fun exploring their imagination with the Travel Switching Set by BRIO. And the great thing is, you can add to the sets to make them even more unique. The Travel Switching Set from BRIO, creating the finest and original wooden railway sets for over 50 years.